Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is sales. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is sales? Sales refers to the process of selling products and services or solutions to customers in exchange for money or other forms of value. It is a fundamental aspect of business that involves various activities aimed at generating revenue and fostering customer relationships. In the sales process, a salesperson or sales team typically engages with potential customers to understand their needs, present relevant offerings, address objections, negotiate terms, and ultimately close a sale. The primary goal of sales is to convert leads or prospects into paying customers. Here are some key elements and activities involved in the sales process. Number 1, prospecting. Identifying and finding potential customers who may be interested in the products or services being offered. This can involve researching target markets, leveraging existing customer databases, attending events, or utilizing online platforms. Number 2, qualifying, evaluating leads or prospects to determine their level of interest, fit, and potential customers. This involves gathering information about their needs, budget, timeline, decision making, and any specific requirements. Number 3, presenting, communicating the value proposition of the product or service to the prospect. This may include product demonstrations, presentations, or proposals tailored to address the prospect's specific needs and concerns. Number 4, handling objections. Addressing any concerns or objections raised by the prospect and providing relevant information or solutions to alleviate their doubts. Effective objection handling involves active listening, empathy, and the ability to provide persuasive responses. Number 5, negotiating and closing. Discussing pricing terms and conditions to reach an agreement that satisfies both the customer and the seller. Closing the sale involves obtaining a commitment from customer to purchase the product or service. Follow-up. Number 6, follow-up and relationship building. Maintaining contact with customers after the sale to ensure their satisfaction, address any post-sales concerns, and foster long-term relationships. This may include providing ongoing support, upselling or cross-selling additional products, or seeking referrals. Sales can take place through various channels such as in-person meetings, phone calls, email, online platforms, or e-commerce websites. It requires effective communication skills, product knowledge, customer understanding, and the ability to build rapport and trust with customers. Successful sales professionals focus not only on closing individual deals but also on building lasting customer relationships, as repeat business and customer loyalty are critical for sustaining business growth. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. What is sales is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.